Hey, what's going on guys? Max from Max Shoots Cars. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build your own homemade vibration isolator for the Tilta Hydra Alien car mounting system. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so what you first want to do is you want to loosen these 5 screws on each side. So there's going to be 5 on the front, and then there's going to be 5 on the back here. And just a heads up, these screws are really tight because Tilta put Loctite, so I recommend getting a pair of pliers and really manhandling that thing off. Be careful not to strip it, as I did to 2 of them. Next up, you should have 2 identical looking plates that look like this. Next up, you're going to grab your hardware. Links will be in the description below for these. Next up, you want to put the bolt through the plate and then put the little brick thing through the center hole, just like so. And then you want to tighten it up. What I did is I got it hand tight, and then once I got all the wires and everything ran through is when I tightened it back up with a drill. So you're going to replicate that process for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all 8 of those. Now these wires that I'm using are galvanized steel rope. You can get this from Home Depot. You need 8 of them, and I'm using 6 inches long. So just go to Home Depot and they'll be able to cut that for you so that you can use it in this setup. So this is going to be the final product that you should have with all 8 wires connected. Okay, so here's some raw footage. This is actually the first day I was filming. I filmed 2 of my buddies' cars. This is straight out of the camera, no warp stabilizer added. I'm actually really happy with this footage. This was mounted on the back of my car, and this was going 40 miles per hour. Unfortunately, when you mount it on the front, you're going to run into a lot of wind resistance. So as you can see in this next clip here, the footage on top is no stabilization added, and then the bottom footage has some warp stabilization added, and this was going 60 miles per hour. So here's just some more footage from the front mount. Unfortunately, because of the wind resistance, you're going to have to add the warp stabilizer to the footage to better stabilize it. I'm not too big of a fan of fixing stuff in post, but it doesn't look too terrible with it added in post. So I'm actually pretty stoked on how this footage came out on the front with warp stabilizer. So thank you for watching today's video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. And also in the description, I'm going to put all the links so you can build this yourself at home. If you have any questions, let me know. Big shout out to the boys from Savage Garage for helping me film this. We got some footage.
No, but seriously, folks, if you're trying to figure out how to use this thing, follow him, because all of this pretty goodness, he helped us with rigging it on our Explorer. Yeah. So the reason that it looks good in our videos and it works in our videos is because of this guy. So follow him, watch his videos, because unlike us, he actually knows what he's doing. So either way, follow him. And thanks for watching. See you guys soon.
Dude, that was fire! That was fucking fire, dude! Are you still filming? Yes! Ah! Dude, that was so good.
I was on just the cups of
that was
up
so
too. I almost ran out of shit to say.
Point at it.
Hold on, you gotta be able to see my tattoos.
Yeah, I was about to say.
I got tattoos for a reason. These people gotta see them.